Hi everyone, welcome back to GPhys Pilates. I'm Gabby, and today I'm going to show you some stretches you can do at lunch, because most people tell me they are so busy at work they don't even have time to eat sometimes. So I'm going to make it so easy you can do this anywhere. But before we do anything, please like the video, so give me a thumbs up already. So choose that thumbs up icon and just press it, and then while you're at it, go for the subscription button, subscribe to me, and then you can get all these great videos weekly. So to begin with, all I want you to do is have your feet hip apart and just move your torso. And as we're moving, my hips are staying in front, meaning my spine is the one that's moving, and it's getting all the blood flow back to the body. Because when you're sitting or slumping, unfortunately your muscles, they get very tight and your circulation goes down. That's why a lot of people get cramps or even get injuries, but your muscles are basically turning off. They're weakening when we're sitting on them for too long. So I want you just to turn side to side. It could be 10 seconds, it could be 30 seconds, however long you want to go. When you're done, we're just relaxing. We're just going to go for the head, and I want you just to literally have your left ear, left shoulder, looking at your armpit, chin to your chest, right armpit, right ear, right shoulder. And you're just going to continue doing a few. I find even if you're in between calls or emails, you can always do this. It's such an easy one. It's an easy one to talk to as well. So if you're one of these people that can multitask, you can always do this throughout work as well. It's nice just to relax the neck. And we're just doing 3 or 4. You don't have to do too many as long as your neck is moving. Once you've done that, we're just relaxing, looking straight ahead, just make sure we're not too dizzy. And then we're going to just put our hands behind our head. We're just going side to side. Again, this is just waking up the rib cage, moving it. Because as we're sitting down, all the slumping makes the rib cage compress, and it makes us very, very tight. So a lot of people feel like they've got rib pain, or even it's in their lungs, but this is just you're in between your ribs, just loosening. And I'm not going fast at all, I'm just going slow and steady, just to mobilize everything. And once I've done about 3 or 4 times, I want you just to circle your shoulders up and down, nice big circles. 3 or 4 again, and we're just going the opposite way. And as I do this, I'm moving the chest. You don't have to go as much as I am, as long as you're moving it. It's the big difference. And then give yourself a nice little pack on the back. Again, it's such a nice and easy way just to get the blood flow back to the upper back. Good. Again, 3 or 4 times, just tapping, nothing too long. Now with your fingers, you were interlinking. Want your hands going forward, just 3, 2, 1, coming down. Hands behind your back, and again, chest forward for 3, 2, 1. Coming forward, doing it again. Bring those hands forward, chin down for 3, 2, 1. Coming down, and again, behind us, chest forward for 3, 2, 1. Good. That's it, just tapping, just get the blood flow. And already you should feel the loosening of your neck and upper back. Now we're going to go for our hips, just a nice easy way just to build it up. If your balance isn't so good though, do hold on, but I want you just to go on your right knee and just bring your left hip down. You're just tapping it up and down. Again, doesn't have to be for so long, but it's going to get the hip flexors loosening. All the sitting you're doing is just making all tight. Now we're going to just change the legs. We're doing just 3 or 4 without falling over, but just going up and down, nice and easy. Great. Now we're going back onto the right leg. This time we're going to go a little bit more. We're going to go up and circles. Just making big circles. Again, if you're wearing a suit, I understand you don't really want to make circles, so just going up and down is plenty. Once done 3 or 4 going one way, you're just going the other way. Just making sure you're breathing, just playing around with your hips. There we go. Dropping it down and doing the other leg. So we're just making circles. Again, it's not hard to just do a few minutes here and there, and then the other way. Because your body is sitting in one position for so long, makes everything tighten up and weaken. So just by doing this, you're just activating it, waking it all up. Great. Now give it a nice little shake. Just doing calf raises, bring your heels up. And you can do this anywhere as well. You can even do it in sitting at your desk, just get the blood flow. Great, just to make sure that you don't get any cramps in the calves, and also reduces varicose veins, just because you're getting the blood flowing back just where we need it. Good. Remember, we're doing just a few, not too much, but we're just going for it. Lovely. Now we've got the knees. So for our knees, we're just bending the knees, squatting down and straightening. Squatting down and shaking. Good. It's just working those muscles. As you can tell, I'm not going too low, I'm just doing a little bit, and it just builds up again these muscles of our legs. Good. And when you're done, just one more if that's all right. We're just going to go and onto the left leg, just bending the right knee. Nice and controlled, just bending it backwards. Keeping the knees aligned. Just 3 or 4. Again, it's just to get you moving, to get you less stiff. And then switching legs, we're just going to the side. I stand up all the time, and I actually do this a lot just to get my body waking up again. Because no matter what position your body's in, it likes to change. Good. Have a breather. So it doesn't take long just to get you moving. So try doing this. You can do them longer, of course, but it's just the basics of getting you moving at lunchtime. Hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this video. Let me know how you get on as well by commenting below. Have a lovely day. Bye.